Finding a rough diamond can be exciting, but identifying one correctly requires careful observation. While professional testing is the most reliable method, there are several simple ways to examine a suspected rough diamond at home. 1. Examine the crystal shape. Natural rough diamonds often form in octahedral, cubic, or irregular crystal shapes. Their surfaces are usually not perfectly smooth and may appear greasy or waxy rather than shiny. Number 2. Check the hardness. Diamonds are the hardest natural substance on Earth, ranking 10 on the Mohs hardness scale. A rough diamond can scratch glass and many other minerals. However, scratching tests should be done carefully to avoid damaging valuable stones. Number 3. Look for transparency. Many rough diamonds are translucent rather than perfectly transparent. Hold the stone under a bright light and observe how light passes through it. Rough diamonds usually have a unique luster and may appear cloudy. Number 4. Perform the water test. Place the stone in a glass of water. Because diamonds have a high density, they will sink quickly. Keep in mind that many other minerals also sink, so this test alone cannot confirm a diamond. 5. Use a magnifying glass. Inspect the stone with a Tendyke's magnifying glass. Natural diamonds often have small inclusions and irregular surface patterns. Perfectly smooth surfaces are uncommon in rough diamonds. Number 6. Test the thermal conductivity. Diamond testers are inexpensive tools that measure thermal conductivity. Since diamonds conduct heat exceptionally well, a diamond tester can help distinguish diamonds from many imitations. Number 7. Observe the luster. Rough diamonds have an adamantine luster, meaning they reflect light with a distinctive bright appearance. Unlike quartz or glass, they do not usually have a dull surface. Conclusion. Home tests can provide clues, but they cannot guarantee that a stone is a genuine rough diamond. For accurate identification and valuation, consult a certified gemologist or a professional gem laboratory.